If your hair is thinning out, breaking, shedding a lot, or you just want to grow your hair much faster, then you're at the right place. This DIY hair growth recipe using natural ingredients is going to help stimulate hair growth. The secret is to have a very well moisturized hair in order to prevent hair breakage, and also a very good product that can stimulate hair growth without causing any damage to your hair. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on today's video. You will really enjoy it and I promise you're going to learn a lot. So to start with, I will need my natural ingredient, which is rosemary herbs. Rosemary herbs is very powerful when it comes to hair growth. Rosemary can help stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so this is my second natural ingredient and it is mint. Mint is also powerful when it comes to hair growth. It is also going to prevent hair breakage, hair thinning, and hair shedding. I just love the smell of mint in my DIY recipes, aside the many benefits mint can provide to any hair. So I also need a carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice. I use olive oil in this recipe, but feel free to use avocado oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, just to mention a few. So to a blender, I took some of my rosemary herbs, my mint, and I also top it up with my virgin olive oil. Blended it, then after that I put it in a saucepan like so. I'm going to cook this on a very low heat for about 10 minutes. Make sure you do not overcook your natural ingredients. The goal here is to infuse the natural ingredients with the olive oil. In other words, just to extract all the nutrients we need from these natural ingredients in order to help boost our hair growth. Alright, so I set my oil aside. I'm going to allow it to cool down. In the cool down process, it's even going to infuse with the natural ingredient even more. I'm going to move on to my next ingredient. This is shea butter. Shea butter is very great when it comes to moisturizing your hair. It has fatty acids and also some vitamins that can also protect your scalp. Shea butter can prevent hair breakage. I'm also going to add some Vaseline. Vaseline is one of my favorites when it comes to adding it to my hair moisturizer. Vaseline itself will not grow your hair, but when you combine it with natural ingredients and use shea butter, it helps keep your hair moisturized for a very long time and to prevent it from breakage. This will mean you're going to retain some length and also is going to help thicken up your hair. So what I did was I took about a tablespoon of my shea butter and about half a tablespoon of my Vaseline. I'm going to melt the two together completely. Then I'm going to move on to my next step. Look at how beautiful it is looking. Alright, so at this point, my oil, rosemary and mint oil is completely cooled down. So I'm using a paper towel to strain it. Then after that, I'm mixing it with the shea butter and the Vaseline that was melted earlier on. So what I did was I mixed equal portion of my rosemary and mint oil to equal portion of my melted Vaseline and shea butter. I'm going to mix it thoroughly, and there are a few ingredients I'm going to add to even make this work much better. And there you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends, families, as well as on your social media platforms. So this is castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is great when it comes to hair growth. It is going to moisturize your hair and also prevent hair breakage. Especially if you're losing your edges, your hair is thinning out, you will need this in your life. You don't need much. I added about half a tablespoon to this quantity of DIY recipe I'm making. I'm also going to add some essential oils. I have a lot of them. Feel free to use any essential oil that you have. In this hair moisturizer, I'm going to use my rosemary essential oils. But you can feel free to add lavender essential oil or whichever essential oil that you have. You don't need much. A few drops. I added about 5 drops and that was just enough for this quantity. After that, I'm going to give it a good stir and this DIY recipe is all done. Guys, at this point, we're going to leave it in the refrigerator and allow it to turn to the solid form. I'm also going to show you the best way to use this in order to help you grow back your hair and also keep your hair moisturized. All right, so once you have your hair moisturizer like so, it smells amazing. It just looks beautiful. All you're going to do is to apply this to your hair for at least 3 times a week or whenever your hair feels dry and you need to re-moisturize it. So this is basically your hair moisturizer. You just rub it in your hair strands, massage it in, and do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle whenever you apply hair moisturizers. This will help it stay in your hair much longer and also prevent hair breakage. If you consistently use this DIY recipe, you will come back and thank me later. It's actually one of my favorites. I use it on my hair and I just love it. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one.